In a hidden grove where sunlight kisses mossy stones and fairies whisper among the ferns, there lived a clever little girl named Zelda. Now, Zelda was no ordinary girl. Oh no, with eyes the color of emeralds and hair like woven moonlight. She was a child of the forest, a friend to all creatures great and small. And she knew the secrets of the woods like the back of her hand. Every morning, when the dew kissed the petals and the birds sang their sweetest songs, Zelda would rise before the sun and slip into the forest in her barefoot sandals. She wouldn't be gone long, just a quick in and out, to check on her underground network of root friends or to see if the shy boggart was feeling any better. You see, Zelda searched for mushrooms, not just any mushrooms, but the kind that grew under the oldest oak tree in the Whisperwood. Their caps were the size of her thumb, speckled with gold and red, and they smelled like petrichor and pixie dust. Zelda called them forest buttons. 2 forest forage mushrooms and 1 handful of wild rice. Cook up some wild rice. When it's almost tender, add your forest mushrooms, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of whatever herb you have handy. A little thyme, a little sage, a little rosemary, doesn't matter. Top it off with a drizzle of good quality olive oil. Pop it in the oven, and when it's all crispy and fragrant, you've got yourself some brave bites. But the truth was Zelda had a special talent. She could find the tiniest caps with golden freckles, the kind that smell like rain and magic. With a basket in hand, she'd skip through the trees, her laughter echoing with the birds, gathering her precious forest buttons, their earthy aroma filling her little lungs with joy. So grab your baskets and your boots and go explore the great outdoors, because magic, my friends, is all around us if we just open our eyes to see it. When her basket was full, she'd return to her woodland kitchen, a cozy nook nestled in the roots of an ancient oak. These weren't just tasty, oh no, they were brave bites packed with vitamin D, selenium, and antioxidants. She could outrun the foxes, outsmart the trolls, and even read by firefly light long into the night. Each bite was a burst of sunshine and soil, a celebration of the forest floor. Here, acorn spoons stirred spells, toadstool lamps glowed with soft, warm light, and the oven, well, the oven was always ready to gobble up Zelda's treasures. That day, she made forest mushroom bites, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and full of earthy delight. And after her forest feast, Zelda felt the magic thrumming through her veins. Now, if you're as bold as Zelda, you can make your own forest mushroom bites with just 2 ingredients. Remember, little adventurers, every forest has its own magic, its own flavors. And with that, our story ends, but your adventure is just beginning. So keep exploring, keep gathering, and who knows what kind of woodland wonders you might create next. If you enjoyed this whimsical tale, don't forget to follow for more delicious garden-inspired goodness.